Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick little video to show you how to embellish your hair bows. So I've got this plain little boutique hair bow which I did some videos on, and I just wanted to show you some ways you can embellish it. I've got this diamond mesh ribbon that you cut in between, so it comes in different widths and lengths. This is the perfect width for what I have in mind. You can take it and you can hot glue it from about there and then wrap it around, and so it would just add that little bit of sparkle in the middle. You can also hot glue it on the ends to sparkle up the ends if you want to. I've done that. Or I've got these different embellishments. I've got this big I don't know, diamond looking rhinestone. You can get those at Hobby Lobby and Michael's or any other craft store. Should be able to find them. So you could just put that in the center like that. Really cute. And then I have another kind of diamond mesh ribbon, which I've already cut just one off. That's what it looks like. And if you watch my homecoming videos, you know I use these a lot. You can also put that one right in the center like that. So it just adds a little something. And then I have different size rhinestones. And you could hot glue, or, well, I don't really like to hot glue the hair bows, stuff on the hair bows, but you could do different ones, and then you can also put them right here. So it just adds a little something there. Sometimes I'll put one on each end. But I don't like to use the hot glue because they will fall off eventually, you know, because hair bows get little girls are rough on them. So if you will buy this, it is much better at attaching your bottle caps or any kind of rhinestones or anything like that. They will stay on much better. It is toxic. You just want to make sure you got a fan going, or you're a really open space, or maybe go outside so you're not breathing in any of the fumes. So that's it. I mean, you can hot glue, like I said, you're going to take more of a chance of it falling off. I know with bottle caps it's a little bit difficult because this doesn't, you know, like hot glue, it almost immediately sticks, so you don't have to worry about the bottle cap falling off. So what I do on bottle caps is I would hot glue one half of it and then put this on the other half, excuse me, and then glue it in the center. And so I had both glues on there, and I hadn't had any problems with those falling off. So I think I'm just going to add one of these on here. And although I would use hot glue on a homecoming mum, that's just one day. These hair bows are going to get much more use. So you just take it, and it doesn't take very much. I haven't used it in a while, so it's thickening up on me. So I just put a little bit, and it is really strong. So I just want to put it somewhere that it's not going to get knocked off, and it's going to be able to stick really well. So I'll just have to let it sit out for several hours, and then it'll glue and it'll be really good. I've also got this one that you guys probably saw, and I can add little rhinestones to that too. I need my pliers to hold it. Let's see, I can take it and I guess that's the top. So I can put one here and one there. I'm gonna put them there just to add a little bit of sparkle. You can put them up here like this. Again, you can put them on these ends. Just put them all over. And you can get pink ones, you can get different colors. It'll just add to it. And I made a knot, so I don't really want to put anything in the center because of that knot. But yeah, I can add bling anywhere to it, and it would make it really, really cute. And this, if you watched the video, I made two different bows, and just an alligator clip so it will stick through there, so you can make a stacked bow, big stacked bow. I think I will add a little bit of sparkle to this one. It's a little difficult once you've used these to get it off, because it likes to glue to itself. So I'm just going to put just a little bit on there. It doesn't take very much at all. just gonna put it about right there. Get my finger in there and kind of press it down. And then I'm gonna get another one. And it likes to come out on its own, so you have to watch it. It'll just keep pouring out. I'm gonna put that one on that side, like that. And I got two small ones, so I think I'll glue those to the bottom. And as you can see, yeah, well, I don't know if you can see that, it just comes out. You have to really watch it. I'll have to find something to smear that on before I put the lid back on, or that's what makes it glue to itself. And it will get hard too, so you don't want to leave it uncapped very long. Okay, so I just added some sparkle there. Like I said, you can do them on these. You can do them down here, wherever. There's not many girls that don't like bling, so go crazy with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.